At Harley Davidson, we've dedicated an entire facility to testing our products. And since oil is essential to the health of your engine, why not trust the HD experts to engineer oil specifically for use in your HD motorcycle? In typical testing, the engines are run for 300 hours and the transmissions are run for 85,000 miles, subjected to high torque, high speeds, and constant shifting. This demanding test generates heat and wear levels well above what you would normally ask of your motorcycle, and it pushes the engine performance and oil to the absolute limit. It all adds up to thousands of hours and thousands of miles of testing every year. When you know your oil can survive this environment, well, you can be completely confident that it'll stand up to whatever you throw at it, no matter how hard you ride. The result of all this testing is a choice of two superior Harley Davidson products: HD 360 Oil and Screaming Eagle Syn 3 Full Synthetic. Harley Davidson air-cooled V-twin motorcycles operate at higher temperatures than water-cooled engines, so a proprietary blend and high-temperature additive package is necessary to protect the engine. Be assured, HD 360 Oil can be trusted in any Harley Davidson engine. But if you're looking for high performance and total peace of mind, Screaming Eagle Syn 3 Full Synthetic Lubricant does it all. Syn 3 is the only synthetic lubricant custom blended, tested, and certified for use in Harley Davidson engine, chain case, and transmission applications, which makes changing and topping off fluids a simple, one-product process. No matter which blend best meets your needs, HD 360 Oil or Screaming Eagle Syn 3 Full Synthetic. It's available in convenient oil change kits from HD.com or your local Harley Davidson dealership. Remember, when you choose genuine Harley Davidson oil, you're not just protecting your Harley Davidson motorcycle, you're protecting the future and paving the way for the next generation. The experts at your local HD dealership are here to help, so stop by today to talk about which HD oil is best for your motorcycle. Not looking to change your own oil? No worries. The More Than an Oil Change program at your local dealership will take care of it for you.